Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine, friends. Well friends, today I am repairing one of the branded crossover DBX1. So this is the model DrivePack PA2 model. There are many different models available in DBX crossover, PA2 and PA plus and etc, etc. So the problem in this is, well, I'll put it on and check what's the issue in this. I'll put it on. So I'll put it on. I put it on. See, it's on. So there is no display, but power is there. You can see power is there, but there is no display. So this is the problem. So what we'll do, we'll just open the top cover and check what the issue. Put it off first. Put it off. So let's open the top cover and check what is the issue inside. So just keep watching my video, guys, till end. So guys, I have already removed the screw. Two here, one is here. Okay. So let's open the top cover. So this is the one. So guys, let's power it on and check what's the issue in this. So we'll check some voltages. So guys, let me explain. This is the power transformer. This is step 1 transformer. This is coming, I think, 20 volt AC. This is 20 volt AC. This is blue 20 and this is 12 volt. Red is 12 volt AC and this is 20. Okay, so these are the output of volt AC from the transformer. So here is the main power supply section. Okay guys, and this is the main output for the DSP IC. This is 1.2 volt and this is 3.3 volt. This 2 volt is going to the DSP IC. This is the main audio processor IC, ADSP, and here the Cirrus Logic codec IC. This is analog to digital controller as well as digital to analog controller IC. This is okay guys, and this is the plus 5 volt regulator. This is minus 15. This is plus 15. Okay guys, now we'll just check some voltages. Why there is no display coming in this? So we'll check some voltages. Okay, here body as usual ground. Okay guys, I'll put it on. I put it on. Power is on now. See, power is on. You can see light over here. So we'll check some voltage. We'll check some output voltage over here. See, 5 volt is coming almost, and this is negative minus 15. See, and this is plus 15. So our here voltage is good. How about here this side? This is 1 volt and this is 3.2 volt. So guys, this also voltage is good. So overall, our control circuit, we can say this is voltage going to the DSP IC for the audio processing. Okay. So now what we'll do, as per the voltage is getting okay. Okay, voltage is okay. So now what we will do, we'll check some resistance. You can say cold test in the circuit. Okay, so we'll put it off first. I put it off. So guys, we'll check some. I put it off. We'll check some ohms. Okay, I'll keep on the diode range. Is there any shorting or something like that, or I will keep on the buzzer range. Okay. So this is a 5 volt regulator. So, okay, this is normal. This is normal. Okay, there is no shorting. I'm just checking the regulator is the shorting, but already we have getting 5 plus 5 volt plus 15 volt minus 15 volt plus 15 volt. So there is no doubt that there is a shorting over here. There is something problem over here. So we need to check here display side also, and sometimes maybe this can be possible. 52 ohms, the ground almost. So here we can see some is any shorting over here. This is ground. No. So we'll keep on the diode range. So no shorting. So there is no shorting, my friend, over here. So we'll check on the buzzer. So guys, we'll concentrate over here. This is, I think this is normal. I'm getting some I'm getting some normal ohms over here. So there's some PF over here. Okay. So we'll concentrate over here. And this PF, this is the coil. This is coil. Here there is a 2 PF here. Okay guys, there is no shorting. There are 3 small ones there. See guys, this I think near the display, this is the display side. I'm getting some abnormal ohms. See, I'm getting some abnormal ohms. I think we need to check this PF. There is one PF over here. I think there is a problem in the PF. There is one PF over here. If you see here this side. So I'm getting some abnormal ohms. If you see this side. Here. See, this PF is showing shorting. So we need to remove it out and check separately. The buzzer is coming. You can see that we have buzzer. You can hear the buzzer. So if I this side, you can see here this is the PF. I think, see this PF. There are 3 more PF over here, but they are not showing any shorting. This is also not showing any shorting, but this PF is showing shorting. Buzzer is coming, so we need to remove this PF and check separately. So what we will do, we will try to remove this PF and check. So guys, better remove this one, the connector, display connector. Otherwise, this is very sensitive. Otherwise, it will get damaged. So I put this inside. So now it's easy for us to work over here. So we'll just remove this one. So apply key paste. So we have removed. So guys, we have removed it out. So now we'll check this. Is any shorting? See guys, this is shorted. So this is shorted. So now we'll check any shorting. No. See, no shorting, no more shorting. So because of this, I think the voltage is getting dropped. Supply voltage is getting dropped. So that's why there is no display. It is coming. So now we'll replace this PF with the new one. I think this is normally ended enough. So we'll replace this with the new one now. First we'll clean this first. Continuity. No. Okay, perfect. No more shorting. So we'll fix this back. Okay. So now we'll put it on and check, my friend. We'll put it on and check. We'll put it on now. So everything's perfect. See guys, display came. Okay. So because of that only it was. See. All lights also come. Lights also come. Display also come. So it is working fine. No display comes. So everything. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. See you very soon next video. Bye.